mixed in a little bit more glue, and this is the final slime. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we are going to be fixing my old slimes. So I don't think I have anything else to say. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Let's go! So the first thing I'm going to do before I start the video is show you guys all the slimes. So here's the first one. So here's the second slime. It's like a metallic orange Play-Doh slime. And yeah, it's a really good consistency. It stretches and has nice bubble pops. Here is the third slime. It is the same Play-Doh thing, but it is blue, and it's not as nice and stretchy and jiggly as the other one was. Here is the fourth and final slime for this episode. It is Flarp Putty that smells like Vaseline. Here, helping me make this video is my neighbor, so let's get on with this slime. So let's go. The first thing I'm going to do is put the slime in the bowl. And I'm gonna add some white glue because it's really tough. So I'm just gonna add some glue. Mix. So I'm going to add some blue food coloring, just a little bit. See, a little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna mix the rest of this off camera because it's gonna take a long time. I mixed the food coloring in off of camera, and I realized that it's still like really tough, so I'm going to add lotion. I'm just gonna mix this in with my hands. Oh, that's annoying.
Sorry about that. Somebody had been texting non-stop.
Yeah. It needs more lotion. Oh my goodness. This is getting better, but it still won't stretch. I'm gonna mix this off
Okay,
camera. So I put in some more lotion and some more glue, and it's better. But I still don't like it. It's not stretchy enough. And it's taking forever. Everything I put in it, it just sucks it up. So we're pulling out the big boys. There. I want the slime to actually be good. Oh my goodness, it's still tearing. This is going to drive me bonkers. Oh, my hair was in the camera. I think that this, I'm just gonna add a little bit more glue, then that's gonna be as good as we're going to get. A little bit more glue, and this is the final slime.
Unfortunately, it does not smell like blueberry anymore. It smells like normal slime.
We can add scents to it later.
Well, this is the best we could get to fix the slime.
So yeah, let's move on to the next slime. 2, 1, and on to the next slime. Here's our next slime. It's the orange one.
Very sticky.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the bowl because we need to fix this. We need to fix it right now. It's so slimy. Gonna add a little bit of glue for starters. I'm gonna get it to the point where it needs to be reactivated because I have metallic activator that I want to use to keep it metallic.
Keep drowning that thing in glue.
So I'm just gonna get it to the point where it's almost slime, but then it's not. I'm gonna get some food coloring. Burgundy food coloring. If you don't know what burgundy is, it's like a purplish pink. Need more. I need more to come out. I have a good idea. Skewer. That is more like it. That was probably way too much. See how it's not metallic anymore? I'm going to use metallic activator so that it's metallic again. Let me close this. I'm going to add a little bit of baking soda. Mix that in. Next, to add metallic magical liquid. Ew, it's like lumpy. Oh, jeez. That off my hands. Let me close the magical liquid. Well, actually, we might need it, so I'm going to keep it open. Still needs more activator. I'm going to add this, and then if it still needs more activator, I'm going to add some contact solution. It's leaving metallic residue on my hands. Okay, so I think that's all activated that we need. I'm going to keep it right here just in case, though.
Okay.
Here we go. We're using phone flashlights for our lighting, so.
Yeah, my phone, I feel like holding down the off button, so it restarted.
So, this is the final slime. It's super nice. I love it.
Now we're gonna have extra lighting.
So it used to be orange, and now it's this.
A pink.
Now it's ASMR time. Yeah, my camera does this thing where it kicks me out of the iMovie app, then deletes the video I was taking. Anyways, we mixed together the two slimes and made this purple slime. I'm going to call it Lavender Fields. I'm going to put some lavender scent in it, and so yeah. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!